In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change email address on Steam account. Before we begin, make sure you can access both your current email inbox and the new email you want to use. This helps you complete the process smoothly and avoid getting locked out. Start by opening Steam and logging in. Use the desktop app or the website, both have the same menu options for this. Once you are signed in, look to the top right corner and click your username. From the drop-down that appears, select Account Details. This takes you to your account overview, where you can manage security and contact settings. On the Account Details page, under the General tab, find the Contact Info section. You'll see the email address currently linked to your account. Click the option that says Change My Email Address. A new window will open to guide you through the verification process. This is a normal security step to make sure it's really you making the change. Choose to receive an account verification code by email. Steam will send a code to your current email address. Keep the Steam window open, then go to your inbox and look for the message from Steam. If it isn't there, give it a minute. Then check your spam or junk folder. When you find the email, enter the code back in the Steam window exactly as shown. Never share this code with anyone, only you should use it to confirm the change. After your identity is verified, you'll be prompted to enter the new email address you want to use. Type it carefully to avoid typos. Steam will then send a verification link or code to that new email. Open the new inbox, find Steam's message, and follow the instructions in it. Either click the verification link or copy and paste the provided code where prompted. This confirms you have access to the new address and want it associated with your account. Once you've confirmed through the new email, return to Steam. You should see a success message. Click Finish to complete the process. At this point, your contact email is updated, and you'll receive future account notices at the new address. If you don't see the success message, double-check that you completed the email verification step and that you used the most recent code. That's it. Thanks for watching.